Let's learn English Idioms Part 1. Idiom: couch potato, meaning a very lazy person who watches television a lot, sitting on a couch and does not have an active lifestyle. Example sentence: You are such a couch potato on weekends. Idiom: chase rainbows, meaning wasting time on unrealistic goals that is impossible to achieve. Example sentence: Don't chase rainbows for your whole life. Pick up a stable career. Idiom: go bananas, meaning to become extremely excited, that is going crazy, or to become extremely angry, that's going wild. Example sentence: The birthday party turned into a wild adventure as all the kids went bananas. Idiom: a piece of cake, meaning a simple task that is very easy to do. Example sentence: Navigating through the city using GPS app is now a piece of cake. Idiom: cry over spilt milk, meaning worrying over the past events that cannot be changed. Example sentence: He chose not to cry over the spilt milk and focused on the next opportunity. Idiom: break a leg, meaning to wish a performer good luck. Example sentence: Before the championship game, the coach told the team to break a leg. Idiom: dark horse, meaning an unexpected winner who has secret skills and ideas that is less known by others. Example sentence: She emerged as the dark horse in the singing competition, surprising everyone with her outstanding performance.